My name's John Pope. I am an arthroplasty surgeon focusing on the treatment of revision arthroplasty and redoing joint replacements. I came into the field of revision arthroplasty as I find the surgeries are both challenging and diverse. They allow me to focus on my strengths of kind of understanding the mechanics of the joint and the engineering of the implants. I really love the joint replacement program here at Montefiore. I actually chose this program to come to. I worked in private practice for 6 years before coming here. It was something I was excited I wanted to be a part of. It has interesting patient population that allows me to tackle difficult problems and make a big difference in patients' lives.